I'm hearing that you hold your truth so magically. You're just anchored right now. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone right away. Like, your truth is the combination of all of your experiences here, and I am talking to a soul that has been through so many challenges and trials and tribulation and experiences here. It was a rich incarnation, and all the knowledge became wisdom. It's fully anchored into you right now. Your truth is what you have, the most important asset that you have. That's what making you extra hyper sexy, I'm hearing. Charming. Your glow, radiating light is actually you being so standing up for your right, standing up, massive sovereignty energy coming here right now. Your authority, your sovereignty, what you stand for right now more than ever is making noise. People are not joking with you. It's like they see on your face where you're from, what you've been through by the tone of your voice. I'm hearing you're indulging respect. People have no choice but respecting what you have to say, because again, you're embodying your truth right now. They want me to come back to knowledge and wisdom as my truth is that knowledge, someone can tell you something, but until you experienced it, it's state knowledge. When you go through the process, it's becoming wisdom. You become wiser because you've been through the process, and it's a big difference. Everybody can read a book. It's not because you have read this book that you understanding the process. Therefore, you're embodying this truth and you vibrate this truth and it's becoming you. It's a very strong message here. You definitively have shifted. You're definitively getting rid of everything that is not love, light, and truth right now. Your own truth, what you claim. I'm hearing organizing your life. You're organizing your life upon this truth. People, if they don't fit your self-respect, if they don't fit what are your values, if they don't fit what you are convinced about, you're like, no, I mean, they cannot just be around, like they're not allowed around you. And that's the same for your love, partnership, family member, friendship. You're just, I'm hearing spring cleaning. That's beautiful. If you have the strength, the power, the courage to actually do a true spring cleaning right now, then it's signify that you are completely in tune with the universe, because we are here in the northern atmosphere in the springtime, and my God, you're like, I'm hearing clearing also the garden to plant the right seeds, because you know the right seeds are going to bloom by this summer and you don't want to be surrounded with crap anymore. That's why also why your truth is so powerful at this time. You know you're not going to risk anything because you know now you know, again, wisdom, you know, 5-5 on the timer, big changes. Big, okay, all of that wants to come. Big changing ahead. I might talk to a divine feminine or now you're just embodying your divinity. You could be a divine masculine as well. But again, you're going through this polarity shifting, polarity alignment. If you want to know more about it, I offer on my website a massive code to realign your polarities. Because if you're not aligned in your divine polarity, you're just manifesting wrong. You're supposed to manifest effortless. When you're embodying your divine, your divinity, it means that the universe, I'm hearing it's a matter of how you're wired. You see, the system is just, you're born a certain way to receive for a divine feminine. This is your essence. You are here to illuminate your divine masculine with wisdom, to pray, to chant. You're here to empower your divine masculine. He is here to take good care of you, to please you, to make you happy. He is here to cherish you. He is here to provide for you financially, emotionally, security, safety. You are here to be treated as a queen that you are, and vice versa. You're supposed to let your divine masculine lead, embodying the strength, the power, the lion that he is. He's here to build. You see where everything is back to order, back to this universe. It's effortless. Ooh, I'm talking to a very psychic, divine feminine or divine masculine. And you are the key, I'm hearing. You're the key to someone. You're the key. So also you might be in a relationship where you are the key because you're going through all of the breakthrough before your person. And I'm hearing that with the power of love, you are understanding also this twin flame journey where God put you in with your person to learn, to grow, and to come back ultimately to love. So if you have the power to overcome the ego with your specific person, you're coming back to God energy. You're becoming everything again. This frequency is going to shift something within your system. I cannot make this up. Started with anchoring. You're anchoring your truths. You're anchoring your boundaries, my beautiful. And it speaks volume. People are not joking. They do not know how to read you anymore because they're discovering the through you and the real you through something, obviously, apparently. You're coming back home. Oh my God, this reading is so beautiful. This is the real you. You've been searching, your soul been searching the real you. It's here. This is who you are, not playing with everybody, not joking about your boundaries. You grew and did this karmic relief, massive relief. This is beautiful. I love it. Until next time, namaste.